Does editing intimidate you? I get it. I've been doing it for years and I still can't open After Effects without first curling up into a fetal position and crying for 20 minutes. It can be overwhelming, even more so to newcomers. But I have good news. Adobe has a more user-friendly version of Premiere called Premiere Rush. Premiere Rush immediately reminded me of iMovie for Apple. The iMovie was a simple drag and drop type editing software with basic effects. It was where I taught myself how to edit, so I'm confident that Premiere Rush will achieve the same results. So before you jump on this, jump on this. The interface is pretty straightforward. When you hover your mouse over anything, it will show you what it does. Titles, transition, color, audio, and crop. Don't worry, we'll go over each one. Alright, so step 1. First, let's import a video. Click on the blue plus icon on the left. This will give you the option to import a media file. This is Jen, she'll be helping us out. So here's the video on the timeline. Still with me? Great. On the timeline is where you'll be manipulating the video. You can use the trim tool to cut up the clip, taking parts out you don't want. Or you could go to any end of the clip and get this icon. You hold and drag to trim the video this way too. Alright, I have my clip all trimmed up the way I like it. Let's check out what's first on the list. Titles. Adding a title is pretty easy. Just go to the top right and click Titles. Premiere Rush comes with a bunch of cool font options to choose from. Click on one and it will be added to your timeline. Once you find a good spot for your text, just simply click and type. The title comes with editing options. You can change the size, color, and what have you. Alright, next up is transition. To use this, we'll need a second clip. To see all the videos you've imported to your project, simply just click on this box and it will show you everything you have to work with. Alright, I'm gonna click on this video and hit add. Once the video is in the timeline, let's add a transition between the two videos. When you click on the transition button, a list of presets will come up. Cross dissolve, which gives it a nice fade in to the next clip. Dip to black, which is good for ending videos in my opinion. Or dip to white. I'm gonna use the cross dissolve. You grab and drop between the two videos. Oh, and fun tip, if you wanna expand your timeline, hit the plus and minus buttons on your keyboard. This will save you from straining your eyes. So there it is, and it looks good. Next up, color. If you want to tweak the settings, just click over to the edit button, and here you can use the sliders to get the look you desire. Here we have the audio button, where you can lower and raise the audio for your video. Last, we have the crop option. Jen has a tad too much headspace to me, so I can mess with the sliders until I achieve the look I like. There we go. Well, that's basically all that Premiere Rush has to offer, really. It's meant to be a quick and easy experience for beginners looking to learn, and veterans to get something out with the quickness. Once you're happy with all you have, click the share button. You can export it locally to your computer, or upload it straight to your favorite social media platform. I mean folks, it doesn't get any simpler than this. Now go out there and get creative.